Hello student of class 8. Let's revise our chapter combustion and flame, and today let's discuss about combustion. Combustion is the process of burning in the presence of oxygen with the evolution of heat and light. Substances that burns in the presence of oxygen are called combustible substance. Wool, petrol, LPG are the examples of combustible substance. And substances that do not burn in the presence of oxygen is called non-combustible substance. For example, cement, sand, etc. are non-combustible substance. Any substance will catch fire only when it at the ignition temperature and gets sufficient supply of oxygen of air. There are different types of combustions are there based on the rate or speed at which substance catch fire. Combustion is divided into three different types: rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and explosion. The combustion in which a substance burns very fast with external heat provided to produce a large amount of heat and flame is known as rapid combustion. All substances that undergo rapid combustion, such as natural gas, LPG, and petrol, have very low ignition temperature. So, students, remember, in rapid combustion, the substance burn very fast. It has very lower ignition temperature. Petrol, diesel, etc. are the example of substance which goes for rapid combustion. But here, external heat is required. Spontaneous combustion in which the substance burns quickly, but here external heat is not required to produce large amount of heat and flame. All substances that undergo spontaneous combustion, such as phosphorus and coal in dust in mines, have very low ignition temperature. So student, here only difference between rapid combustion and spontaneous combustion is that in rapid combustion the external heat is required, but in spontaneous combustion without external heat, that means external heat is not required. Explosion, the combustion which produce a large amount of heat but sound also and gas, is called explosion. For example, bomb and cracker when burst, this is the example of explosion. Combustion can also be categorized into complete and incomplete depending upon the extent of air supply available for a combustible substance for burning. Complete combustion, the combustion that takes place in adequate amount of oxygen or air, is called complete combustion. Water, carbon dioxide, heat, and light are the main products obtained during complete combustion. Incomplete combustion, the combustion that takes place in absence or sometimes in lack of oxygen, is called incomplete combustion. Soot, water, carbon monoxide, heat, and light are the product obtained during this incomplete combustion. So you can see in complete combustion carbon dioxide is producing, which is a harmful substance, but in incomplete combustion you can see carbon monoxide also producing. This is more harmful substance. So you can say incomplete combustion is more harmful than complete combustion. There are few conditions are there which are very necessary for combustion. Number one, the substance should be combustible, otherwise it will not go for combustion, such as coal, kerosene, etc. Number two condition is that a supporter is needed, and in this case oxygen is supporting in combustion because oxygen is present in air. And the third condition is that combustion takes place only at specific temperature. That means the minimum temperature at which combustion takes place is called ignition temperature. So ignition cannot occur below ignition temperature. It is different for different material. Substance with very low ignition temperature are called flammable substance or inflammable substance. Petrol, diesel are inflammable substance. Substance with high ignition temperature is called non-flammable substance. Glass and sand, they have very high ignition temperature, so they do not catch fire easily.